What's up, my dudes? Welcome to another Homestead cooking episode. Today, we're gonna do something simple. Kind of hungry. We're gonna make some bread. I'm just gonna use some baking powder. If I were to be making pizza dough, I'd want to use a little bit of yeast. As always, I'm not really trying to impress anybody. And guys, this shit's really simple to make. It's so fucking good. Okay, so we threw some flour in there. We're gonna throw some clabber girl in there, a little bit of baking powder. I don't know how much. I'm eyeballing. I'm a professional, so a little bit of salt. Yeah, that's right. Really hungry. Okay, so as you can see, I got me a dough here, and I'm gonna get to using it immediately. Let's try to get all the rest of this little bit of flour out of here. Okay. Okay. Okay, good to go. So I'm just going to throw some cheese in here. I got some beans. I had a little bit of extra peas today. I'm going to throw some garlic in here. Okay, well that's going to have to suffice for that. Throw a bunch of cheese, like so. Get these beans in here. Some of this shit on here. Jalapeño on here. Okay. Okay. Fucking A right, doggy. Okay, I'm gonna take one more piece, roll the ends. I don't know if you guys know this or not, but there's two sides of tinfoil. There's like a dull side and a shiny side. I'm putting the dull side out because the dull side is going to absorb the heat and the shiny side will reflect the heat. So I want the heat to be absorbed inside and reflect inside. Okay, so there we have a beautiful, some coals over here. I'll meet you over there. I want this big one right here. We'll put it right there. I'm gonna cover it up. Right now we got just after 4. We're gonna come back at 4:30. Pull that bad boy out. Okay, I don't remember which one of these has our food in it. No, it's not that one. Maybe it's this one. Here we go. Here it is. There it is. Let's see what we got here. Okay, I'm bringing gloves because I'm fucking retarded. Okay. Boy, that's toasty. Like this. There we go. Well, hopefully it's cooked. Guess we'll find out. Okay, now for the big reveal. Let's see how it turned out. That wind has just been whipping. Oh my goodness. This is going to be so good. It's too bad you guys can't smell this. That's how she's done, folks. Just like that. Oh my God. That's good shit. Oh man. Holy smokes. Shove that in my mouth. Okay. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment. If you got some badass recipes that work on the homestead, let me know. I'll be down to try them out. Oh my goodness. That's good shit, guys. See you next time.